Coventry is known globally for solving the most critical application challenges. Our high-purity swelling solvents offer medical equipment manufacturers an innovative way to efficiently secure tubing onto connectors. In contrast to solvent welding, thermal bonding, and medical-grade adhesive bonding, Coventry swelling solvents have low toxicity, do not stress the assemblies, do not risk contamination from extractables, and utilize a fast, efficient bonding process. Coventry Heptane Solvent is a highly purified grade of n-heptane, providing the cleanest chemical grade available. It is an ideal bonding agent for silicone and urethane elastomers and tubing. Heptane can also be used as a silicone lubricant carrier fluid for devices, or to remove oils, greases, and particulates. Heptane is a fast-drying solvent that has very low surface tension, so it is able to reach into tight crevices. It evaporates quickly and cleanly, leaving behind no residue. The data on the physical properties of Coventry Heptane Swelling Solvent can be found on the technical data sheet on coventrycleanroom.com. Note the low surface tension, which allows it to flow into tight areas. Coventry Heptane Precision Cleaning Solvent is compatible with most metals and plastics. As with any solvent, compatibility with substrate should be determined on a non-critical area prior to use. Long-term compatibility with materials used during manufacturing must be evaluated. To use Coventry swelling agents with silicone tubing, dip about 1 inch of the end of the tubing into the swelling agent. Hold it in the solvent from 5 to 10 seconds, depending on the type and thickness of the silicone. Withdraw the tube from the solvent. The solvent causes the elastomer of the tubing to swell, increasing the size of the opening. Slide tube over barb on the connector. The solvent will flash off, causing the tube opening to shrink over the connector, forming a secure, permanent bond. This can take from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of the tubing. Bonded parts can be handled within minutes. Contact us to speak to a technical specialist to find the right solution for your requirements.